What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. It's a little different. Today I'm doing more of a screen share instead of doing like that whole cinematic look that I always have. Sorry if it's a little dark. I'm at the warehouse right now. But guys, today's video, I'm going to take off my face here. I don't like my face when I'm at the warehouse. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing product research. Obviously, today's Wednesday. Every Wednesday I do products research for you guys. And before I get into today's product, some people have been calling me out. I wouldn't really say calling me out. They've just been asking me, hey, listen, George, we see you putting out videos every Wednesday of really hot selling products, but we really want to make sure that, hey, you're legit. You know, we want to make sure, like, especially for the people who are interested in my mentorship, which is $1,500 for a year. They've been asking me, hey, listen, we really want to see, like, hey, are you legit? You know, and I tell them, guys, I've been selling on Amazon. I'm not going to lie to you. I haven't been selling on Amazon for like 10 years, like some of these gurus, but I've been doing this since the pandemic started, and everything has gone really well. You know, my partner and I, we have a warehouse. We've just been killing it. We go hard every day. And so I wanted to show you guys my Amazon Seller Central account. That way you guys can see, okay, this guy's not just throwing numbers and doing product research, but he really doesn't really do what he's preaching. Okay, so before we do the product of the day, guys, I'm gonna jump on my Amazon Seller account, which is here, and you guys can see this is not fake. Okay, I can go here and refresh. This is not fake. Okay, guys, so and you guys can see this is not a screenshot. You know, this is definitely not a screenshot. As you guys can see, this is Amazon Seller Central. So guys, this year has been, obviously it gets more busy towards, I want to say, October, November, December. You really kill it, but I feel like I'm off to a great start. This is my year to date. You guys can see, yeah, here, year to date, May 19th, which is today. Yep, 2021. Okay, and you know, you guys can see here, you can do today, you can do week to date, month, but I think I have it on, yeah, year to date. Okay, guys, so this is legit. This is my Amazon account. I'm at 145,000 in product sales. Obviously, not all this is profit. Normally, my profit margins are around, like, I want to say 38 to 42%, depending on the month or the product. But normally I range around 38 to 40% ROI. So that's not bad. And that's considering we're only like, what, 5 months in at 145,000. And hopefully, guys, and it actually gets way busier later on in the year as well, as more people start shopping for, you know, the holidays. So hopefully I can get this these numbers to hopefully 500,000 in sales this year. That's kind of my goal. So yeah, guys, you guys can see, once again, this is all legit. I can refresh my screen here. I did lower my average sales price per order. Normally I like to stay around $15 and up, but right now I'm trending around $14.92 with almost 10,000 products sold this year, current date. So not bad. So let's see where we at. Oh wow, last year I only did 95 and I'm already at 145,000. That's interesting. This year so far. Yeah, guys. So you guys can see, my store is growing. Honestly, I'm really on an uptrend here, guys. So hopefully you guys now can see this is all legit. This is not BS. This is my real numbers. And with that said, guys, I'm going to jump in and show you the product of the day. If you do want to be part of my mentorship program where I coach you, I give you my 5 distributors that I use all the time. That's really like giving you guys free like products pretty much. You might as well just take the distributors and just take all the products, and you should be able to make the same amount of money. So you shouldn't be really scared about making money on Amazon when somebody gives you their distributors, okay? So yeah, so once again, with my mentorship, I just make sure I give you my distributors. I walk you from point A to point B, getting your Amazon account, getting your LLC set up, getting your seller's permit, getting your first product in, and of course shipping it to Amazon, and pretty much you just have me in the back pocket for a year. Anyway, guys, enough about that. I want to go ahead and show you guys the product of the day, which is here. So Clorox, okay? I had a student and we were just going through some products yesterday, and we were like, "Whoa, let's look at Clorox." Obviously, the pandemic is still going. People are still afraid. People are still germophobic, and Amazon is it's now authorizing us to sell this, the sanitary stuff. So I'm gonna do it. Okay, so and I typed in Clorox and I found a few good ones. So one of the ones that I found, guys, is this one. It's like a 3-pack, it seems, of disinfectant wipe, and you guys can see there's 4 FBA sellers. There's no Amazon sellers on here at all. Okay, so this is fantastic, guys. You definitely want to take advantage of this. Look at this, $17.99. So that's above our $15 price. Anytime here, let me go back to this. Maybe I'm going too fast for you guys. Okay, when you are doing product research, it is very, very, very important that you check if Amazon is on the listing. If Amazon is on the listing, don't even bother with the product. I don't even touch it. You can't compete with Amazon. Sorry, got my coffee here. Okay, is the brand selling this product? Okay, is the brand selling the product? I try to stay away from any product that the brand is on, because I mean, listen, if it was my brand, I want to be the only seller. I don't want other people selling it. So I try to stay away from products that the brand is on the listing. And then how many sellers on the listing? Normally I like to do 3 sellers and up. Normally no more than 10 sellers. Then it gets a little congested, and you start getting into price wars. So I like to do products that have minimum 3 sellers and no more than 10. Okay. So, and then the numbers, obviously you got to have Jungle Scout. You got to check the numbers to see if everything checks out, if you're going to make money, right? So with that said, guys, everything checks out on this product. So I'm going to click on it. And by the way, in that Microsoft Word, I didn't include the price, but the price of the product. Normally I try to stay away from any product that is $15 and below. So this product is about $18, which is perfect. You guys can see here the BSR is really good. That's a really good number. That means this product is definitely a hot seller. And you guys can see there's 9 FBA sellers. Wow. So if I were to hop on this product, I'll be the 10th seller. So this would be perfect for me, and for you guys as well. If you guys want to jump on this product, it's a Clorox brand, and let's run up the Jungle Scout. Now you guys can see here, look at this, there's about 3,700 units a month that are sold. Divide that by the 10 sellers or the 9 sellers. Yeah, you're definitely looking at some good numbers there, guys. And then you got your average sales rank is pretty good. I always make sure that my average sales rank is below 50,000 on any product that I do. So this is well below the 50,000. This is great, guys. So the price, great. The reviews, great. Daily sales, 189 sales divided by 10. Yeah, you should be selling at least 19 of these bad boys a day. So I think that's pretty good, guys. Yeah, so this video is short, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Definitely consider this product. It's a Clorox brand for Amazon wholesale. You guys did see my numbers on Amazon. I'm at 150,000 for the year. I believe year to date I'm close to 300,000. So that's pretty good. For some reason, guys, it wouldn't let me. I went to custom, and it wouldn't let me go. It wouldn't let me go all the way back to when I started selling, but on my app it lets me see it. So when I pull up, I started really selling hot in July 2020. Let's go ahead and see if we, yeah, see, it's not letting me. So I don't know what's up with that, guys. So hopefully you guys can year to date. Now let's go ahead and apply. So yeah, guys, you guys can go ahead and let me know what's up with that. I don't know what's happening with Amazon. I don't know if you guys have ever tried to do like a custom and you go a year back. Maybe Amazon doesn't let you do that anymore. But yeah, so year to date, I'm at almost at 150,000, and we're in the middle of May. So I should finish out a little above 150,000 year to date. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash up that like button. Subscribe if you already haven't done so. And I'll see you guys on the next one.